Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming the email or username GitHub recognizes. This is the key identifier. Once ready, use a trusted device and secure network so recovery links aren't intercepted. Go to GitHub. Click Sign In, then forgot password to request a reset link. This step triggers GitHub's verification flow so you can prove ownership. Make sure you can access that inbox because the reset token arrives there and is time-limited. Once you receive the email, check spam and any alternative addresses GitHub might send to. Sometimes forwarding rules hide messages. Click the reset link immediately and enter a strong new password. Use a passphrase or password manager to generate it. After resetting, review account sessions and authorized apps to spot any unauthorized access. Finally, enable two-factor authentication to prevent future lockouts. This adds a second verification layer beyond just a password. If the reset link doesn't work or you can't access the email, escalate to GitHub support via their account recovery form and supply ownership details like repository names, billing receipts, or organization membership. These proofs help GitHub validate you without exposing credentials. Meanwhile, scan your devices for malware and change passwords on any services that share credentials. If you're locked out after recovery steps, follow up with support and make a plan to centralize credentials in a manager to avoid repeats.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.